Hello and welcome back to Closing Bell on the 8th of September, Tuesday. It has been a bloodbath today. Nasdaq officially lost 4%. It started off in the morning 4%, there was a bit of sight of recovery, and then towards the ringing bell, it fell at 4%. So what does it mean for tomorrow's market? What does it mean for the tech sell-off tomorrow? As you can see on the chart here, potentially we are looking on the candlestick trend called the inverted hammer. Yes, the inverted hammer signals a potential reversal of an upward trend. As you can see, the RSI is at 41. It's lowest for the last 4 months. And the stochastic indicator shows that it's moving as low as 25. Lowest again in the last 4 months. So the sign of a potential recovery from tomorrow onwards, potential. But let's watch what happens tomorrow. It could potentially slow down on the sell-off beginning, or it might go into an overselling mode further into the correction for Nasdaq. So if that happens, we could see a sign of stability and eventually irons it out. But again, we have to see what the signs are on a daily basis. So let's report back on the two most popular stocks that everybody has been talking about, Tesla and Apple. So for Tesla has dropped officially 33% from its last high after its stock split. Tesla is sitting at 330 just now. If you have checked on my buying point videos, Tesla is setting officially 330, so it's between my second and third buying point, and if it drops below even further, it might hit the next third trigger, buy. So as we can see, you're right in between, so we are sitting in limbo where it could be buy on another weakness at 220 or buy on strength when it's going at 330. As you can see, the RSI and on a stochastic, they are at the lowest that it can be for the last 4 months due to this overselling. So potentially we could be looking at a reversal, but only time will tell. Next, going on to Apple. Apple has officially dropped 15%. It's sitting at 112 just now, just in between the second and third trigger level buy on my video up here, previous video, so do check it out. So again, like I said, we could buy on weakness at 108 or buy on momentum strength at 114, depending on what will happen in the coming days ahead. So we are sitting in limbo and people are still thinking out there. It could be a reversal, or it could be over, or it could further break down this support line at number 3, third support line for all technical data. So let's see, let's play, let's watch closely to see whether there are any opportunities. Okay, next, so who has been successful? Who has been on the greens while everyone is selling off? So the most popular one is Nikola. Nikola has gone up about 40% today because GM has officially bought a couple billion stocks from them, and it shows that they are joining merger. They will be designing the trucks and based on the technology. So well done to Nikola. And the other ones that have done well is Space, 9.3%, GM, 7.95%, Beyond Meat, doing really well at 6.87%. And the other two standout is Uber and Lyft. Many people have been asking, what's happening to Uber, what's happening to Lyft? It looks like money is starting to flow into the sentiment. Where could we go to the recovery stocks, where economic recovery, where we go into restaurants, cinemas, shopping malls again, or are we staying with the tech stock? So there's a bit of a tug of war, and as you can see demonstrated on Lyft and Uber, potentially there might be a reversal trend because people might be going back to work, sending people on transportation. Again, it depends on how we manage COVID-19. And the other one, McDonalds and Destiny, are doing well over 1%. And another final one that's done well today, initially, and it started falling off, is NAT. NAT started rocketing almost 8% and now eventually closed at only 3%. And NAT is going up just because oil is dropping. So there's a big sign of oil dropping at 8% at high today. So it shows that NAT tankers might be the place where people put their money to hedge. So this is me filming investment on my closing bell on the 8th of September. So hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe, and hopefully see me on a daily basis reporting to you on this very, very high-end drama in the stock market. So have a good day. My name is Alex Go. Bye.